Introducing a brand new BabyFirstTV.com. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Step into an amazing world where you and your baby can meet our characters, play games with them, and even take part in the only online Baby U. Choose among various activities with numbers, language, art, or music. All created by early childhood education experts. Your child can move through the site's activities all on his own. Start your journey today.
So, what are you waiting for?
Visit www.babyfirsttv.com. The first site for little ones.